Now let's focus on the next example, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. If you are asked to factor the left side of this equation, you can follow the following methods. This is 2, it's the coefficient of x squared. This is 3, it is the coefficient of x. Now, let's have a try. According to the crossing multiplication method, these two can be factored. 1 times 2. This 1 can be factored like positive 1 times positive 1. Alternatively, it can be factored negative 1, negative 1, right? So you need to know which one to choose, because here it is negative 3, so if we use positive 1, finally we will get 2 plus 1, so it should be positive 3, but here it is negative 3, so we think of trying this possibility. Now, let's according to the crossing multiplication that you say, we use this situation to have a try. Negative 1, right? Crossing multiplication. So here it is 1x, 2x. Do not forget this. 1 represents 1x. Okay, now we have this combination. 1x and minus 1, 2x and minus 1. So according to this combination, we can write out the factored form for the left side. That will say 1x minus 1. We can simplify this expression into x minus 1. So x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Let's have a try to prove whether this factored form equals the original left side of the original equation. According to the distributive property, you can regard these brackets as a whole first, then distribute 2x, then distribute it to the 1. So we get x minus 1 times 2x minus x minus 1 times 1. Once again, you can regard 2x as a whole, then distribute 2x to this x, to this 1. This 1 can be distributed to x, then distributed to 1. So we get the following: 2x squared minus 2x minus x times 1, we get x. 1 times 1, we get 1 minus 1. Then, if we want to delete the brackets, but do not forget, before the brackets, we have negative sign, so we need to change the signs for all the terms inside the brackets. So we need to write minus x plus 1. They are like terms. We need to collect the like terms. So we get 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Okay, this is just the left side of the original equation, right? So this factor form is right. That is to say, if we want to figure out the factor form for the left side of the original equation, we can write it like this: x minus 1, 2x minus 1 equals 0, right? The product is this term. The product is this term After crossing multiplication, the sum is this term, but if we want to write out the factor form, we need to follow this combination and this combination that you say horizontally, right? So x minus 1, 2x minus 1 equals 0.